Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming credibility. Check the signal channel's history and win rate and make sure you understand their notation. Once done, set your money management rules. For example, risk no more than 2% of your capital per trade, because consistent sizing protects your account. Next, link your workflow. Open Telegram, prepare your broker or API, and set a price alert app. This lets you act quickly when a signal arrives and prevents hesitation that often turns good signals into missed opportunities. When a signal comes, immediately translate it into the broker's order format: entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. Make sure to place limit or stop orders to guarantee execution at intended prices. This reduces slippage. Once your trade is live, manage it. Scale out partial exits at 1/2 or 2/3 of the target if momentum fades, and adjust stops to break-even once reasonable profit is secured. Also, check correlated markets and news before confirming entry, because external volatility can close trades according to your plan. Take full profit, use a trailing stop, or exit at your stop loss. Always record fees and results for accuracy. After the session, review every signal to understand what worked and why, tracking patterns and edge cases so you improve over time. If signals start failing, pause new trades immediately, reach out to the provider for clarification, and run blinded tests on a demo account before resuming. This troubleshooting step prevents compounding losses and preserves capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.